Hi guys, today we are doing a challenge. I'm gonna vote like which one is my most favorite, grapes or from the ocean, sea grapes. Wait, I gotta get a pencil and a piece of paper. Okay guys, I got the piece of paper. I got a piece of paper. Okay, sorry guys, my phone's laggy. Um, Wait, let me tell my parents which one to choose. Alright, guys, I have the answers right here. Can you see it? 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 Right there. Right there. So the winner is sea grapes. I even asked my dog. I told my dog up or down. Obviously, down is sea grapes because down is the ocean, and up is the grape is from a tree, normal grape. So yeah, see, sea grapes wins! Yay!